Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the CPPD and a PDP subject in unit number 8 profitability alternative investment. Now today discuss about the mathematical method for profitability evolution part most important છે. This 5 method આ 5 method importance છે. ઓકે 7 માર્કનો ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે જીટીયુમાં વારંવાર પૂછી શકાય છે. નાઉ સ્ટાર્ટ અને પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા similar discussion part and some method. Okay, the most commonly used method for profitability evolution as illustrated in figure 10.1 can be categorized under the following headings. The first one is a rate of return. Second one is discount. Cash flow based on full life performance. Net present worth, capitalized cost, payment period. Then this is the most important method, the rate of return investment, discount cash flow based on the full time performance, net present worth, capitalized cost, payout period. In the each of this method has its advantages and disadvantages. The much has been written on the virtues of the various method because no single method is best for the all situation basis, and the engineer should understand the basic ideas involved in each method and be able to choose the one best suited to the need of the particular situation na basis par છે. Okay, simply this is a based on this particular situation, best suited to the need of a particular situation na basis par. The rate of return investment in engineering economic, the rate of return on investment is ordinarily expressed on an annual percentage basis. The yearly profit divided by the total initial investment necessarily represent the fractional return, and this fraction times the 100 is the standard percent return on the investment. The profit is defined as the difference between income and expenses. Therefore, profit in a function of the quantity of goods or service produced and the selling prices. The amount of profit it is also affected by the economic efficiency of the some operation, and increase the profit can be obtained by use of effective method which reduce the operating expenses. And to obtain the reliable estimate of investment return, it is necessarily to make accurate prediction of profit and the required investment. To determine the profit estimates must be made of direct production cost, fixed charges including the depreciation part, plant overhead cost and general expenses. Now the profit may be expressed on a before tax or after taxes basis, but the conditions should be indicated. Both working capital and fixed capital should be considered in determining the investment. Okay, simply this is a rate of return method, rate of return on investment. In engineering economic studies, the rate of return on investment part is ordinarily expressed on an annual percentage basis. The yearly profit divided by the total initial investment necessarily represent the fractional return, and this fraction times 100 is the standard percentage return on investment. Profit is defined as the difference between income and expenses. Therefore, profit is a function of the quantity of goods or service produced, and the selling prices. The amount of profit is also affected by the economic efficiency and the some operation, and increase the profit can be obtained by use of effective method. which reduce the operation in a operating conditions and the expenses to obtain reliable estimate of investment return. It is necessary to make accurate prediction of profit and the required investment. To determine the profit estimate must be made of the direct production cost, fixed charge including depreciation, plant, overhead cost and general expenses. Profit may be expressed on a before tax or after tax basis, but the condition should be indicated. Both working capital and fixed capital should be considered in determining the total investment. Now the return incorporating minimum profit as an expenses. The standard method for reporting rate of return on investment has been outlined in the preceding paragraphs. Another method which is sometimes used for reporting rate of return is based on the assumption that it must be possible to obtain a certain minimum profit of return from the investment before the necessary capital outlay will be described. This minimum profit is included as a some function is graphical system. This one roll the return of investment and a break even point. Including interest. Simply this is a land value, total investment, working capital investment, average annual profit, economic life, average initial investment, land value, cash position plus time, roll of return on investment. સ્ટાર્ટઅપ કરવાનું છે શરૂઆત કોઈ બી રીતે. Now the cumulative cash position is equal to profit plus depreciation total investment. है ना, આના બેસિસ પર છે ખાસ rate returns incorporating minimum profit as an expenses basis. The role of return on the investment માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. પે આઉટ પીરિયડ જોઈ લો, અલગ અલગ રીતે બતાવ્યા છે. નો ડ્રો ધીસ ગ્રાફ in a notebook completely. Okay, now the one by one payout period. No interest including interest, rate of return, discounted cash flow. Now simply the point in the net present worth, capitalized cost, replacement fund કેટલું છે, net present worth કેટલી છે, capitalized cost કેટલો છે, salvage કેટલું છે, ઓકે માર્કેટ વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે એની, ફિક્સ કેપિટલ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કેટલો હશે કે તે બી જોવાનું રહેશે કેપિટલાઇઝ કોસ્ટના બેઝિસ પર. For a graphical description of various profitability measurement. Okay. Physicians expenses along with the other standard expenses when return on the investment and the risk earning rate. A graph draw कर लो. Now, the graphically description of various profitability means this system. Okay, physician's expenses along with the other standard, some expenses when the return on the investment is determined in this manner. The result shows the risk earning rate and represent the return over and above that necessarily to make the capital investment expenditure for advice if the return is 0 or larger basis per share and the investment will be attractive. This method is sometimes designated a return basis, capital recovery, minimum profit. Okay, the inclusions of minimum profit as an expense is a rather unrealistic, especially when it is impossible to design it the exact return which would make a given investment worthwhile. One difficulty with this method is the tendency to use a minimum rate of return equal to that obtained from the present investment. This is of course gives no considerations to the element of risk involved in a new venture. Despite this objectionable and the use of return incorporating. Now the minimum profit expense acceptable providing the basis or minimum return of this general method clearly indicated. Discount cash flow. Okay, method of profitability evolution ना basis पर से डिस्काउंट वाले अपना नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जोईशुं डिस्काउंट रेट ऑफ रिटर्न આપણે ઇનિશિયેટ માં જોયું then our net present worth ડિસ્કાઉન્ટેડ કેશ ફ્લો છે જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ સેશનમાં જોઈશું આનો એક એક્ઝામ્પલ છે તે જોઈ લઈએ આપણે કે શું કહે છે determine the rate of return. And this method determining rate of return as presented in the preceding section part. Given point values which are the either applicable for one particular year or the some sort of average year, they do not consider the time value of money and they do not account for the fact that profit and cost may be vary significantly over the life of the project. And one example of the cost that can be vary during the life of a project is the depreciation cost. The straight line depreciation is used, this cost will be remain constant. However, it may be advantageous to employ a declining balance or sum of the year digit method to determine the depreciation cost, which will be immediately the result in a variations in the cost of profit from one year to another year. Okay. આ એક વખત ખાસ જોઈ લો ક્યુમ્યુલેટિવ કેશ પોઝિશન. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈશું સેકન્ડ મેથડ. ઓકે, ક્યુમ્યુલેટિવ કેશ પોઝિશન, રેટ ઓફ રિટર્ન ઇન ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ, પેઆઉટ પીરિયડ, ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ કેશ ફ્લો, નેટ પ્રેઝન્ટ વર્થ અને કેપિટલાઇઝ કોસ્ટ. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેજમાં આપણે બીજી મેથડ જોઈશું.